David Turner feels more like himself these days. Since he had spinal surgery last December, he can lift wood and drive his car, things he couldn't do this time last year. But it wasn't easy. He went all the way to India to have the operation done.
After living with severe chronic pain for 4 or 5 months and the extreme waiting list in Moncton to see a neurosurgeon, I had to do something because I had basically no quality of life at all.
He read about surgical tourism, an organization based out of Vancouver that sends Canadian patients overseas to India. It's designed to help people like Turner get the care they need sooner. Yasmin Saeed is the founder of Surgical Tourism Canada.
We're certainly not trying to replace the Canadian health system. I am a supporter of a publicly funded healthcare system, and basically what we're trying to do is provide support to the existing health system by taking some of the patients off the wait list. And eventually what will happen is, if the governments do cooperate and use services like ours, the wait list will go down eventually.
Turner dipped into his lifetime savings to pay for it, costing him $17,000. That included his airfare, surgery, and food. It also covered his stay at a 5-star resort where he recovered before coming home. But Turner says once he made it home, that's where the deal ended.
That's one of the weak points in the chain is that when you come back from your surgery in India or China or Thailand, and these countries are marketing surgical tourism as well, can be a problem area, is follow-up after your surgical procedure.
But Turner says if he had to make the decision again, he would do the same.
As I look back on it now, I don't know how in the hell I ever made that decision to go there, but I'm very grateful and thankful to the support that I received from my family and the doctors and so forth. So I'm very thankful that I went, but it was a world experience, no question about it.
So far, Surgical Tourism has sent 22 patients out of the country to have surgery. The company deals with 6 international hospitals, 5 in India and 1 in the United States. And it seems to be picking up because over 200 people are waiting to have their next surgery done through Surgical Tourism. Angela McIver, CBC News, Sackville.